Hello everyone, my name is Phoenix Puns. Some people call me Phoenix, some people call me Puns. Today we're going to be reviewing the legendary gun of disgustingness itself, the Mida Multitool. For this I'm going to take off, the good old-fashioned knucklehead radar because I really don't need any type of radar like booster when this thing already gives me radar. I've only played with the gun a couple times and realize it's a little too Now, too many people use it, and I don't want to be that guy, so I'm gonna be, someone else. So how do usually the videos go? I start off with, playing on controller, then I lead into mouse, and with that, it's 2 rounds done of the game. Right now, we're heading into some quality Iron Banner because, Destiny 2 is fun to play and worth it at the moment. And with that, we are hopping into a game. All honesty, I want to check out everything else I got. Iron Banner tokens, I got 22. I think that means I can talk to Lord Solomon once, and I can get that quality good shit from him. I need to turn in these, turn them into these, I think. No, I need reloading cultures, which I have enough. So I'm definitely going to do that before the night's over. And the first map is Javelin 4 with the Mida Multitool, also known as the evil pair of death and destruction.
Iron Banner control.
We got 2 hunters, or actually I think it was a 3rd hunter. Yeah, 3 hunters and a warlock. 2 shadow shots for, and then on the other side is 3 warlocks and a titan. Alright. Oh. Trying to play with disgustingness.
Opponent claimed Zone B.
Who's playing the waiting game?
Zone
Come on.
C captured. Your opponent pulled ahead. Zone advantage is yours.
Oh, it's Mr. T-Rex again. He's been following me all day.
You're pulling ahead.
And going out with that double KO. Oh, and T-Rex is using Vigilant Swing. It's nice to see that my friend that shares the same name as me, I know that my name's Phoenix and this is T-Rex, but my real name is T-Rex. No lie. Don't make short arm jokes.
Opponents have advantage.
And there's me taking on a fight that I wouldn't win because I decided I was going to get close because I was really tired of his stupid rift. It was causing a rift in our relationship. Oof.
Zone A captured.
Spider.
Zone
Spider.
advantage is yours.
And I freak out.
Zone B captured. Power play. All zones held.
Freak out. Oh, that's an entire
You're
team.
pulling ahead.
And in that moment, a shadow shot would have been perfect. It's off.
Zone B lost.
How did I even shoot him? To be honest, that was a complete bullshit shot. I wasn't even... I clipped his knee and he was just like, oh,
Zone B
oh
captured.
bye.
Power
Oh
play.
bye.
Total control. 5 minutes remain. Zone A lost.
Whew. To be honest, I didn't even think I would get that.
Zone A captured. Power play.
I don't know
Total
how
control.
I didn't get that though. He was so low. And then his entire team is just like, hey, you bullying our guy? You bullying my guy? How dare you bully my guy? You must
Fine
be
work.
bullying my
I
guy.
expect nothing less. Zone C lost.
A little bit of revenge. Ooh, some swordplay going on.
Zone B lost.
Ooh,
Zone C
gonna
captured.
say, I'm going on a little bit of a tangent,
advantage is
you know?
yours.
Murdering everyone like they...
You're on the edge of victory. Annihilate them. Zone B captured. Power play. Total control. Zone A lost.
Much faster.
3 minutes remain. Keep the pressure.
Go with the flank. You're not going on my flank.
Zone B lost. Together, nothing can stop you.
I mean, I guess. Except for a Nova Bomb.
Glorious dawn is coming, Guardian. Finish this.
Glorious dawn is coming, Guardian. Ooh, ow, ow, ow. Shocking. Ooh. 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 In for the sneaky. Ow. What was that aim? Oh yeah, that's right. I thought I had Warlock aim for a minute. Oops. You don't get invincibility frames from summoning a rift. If you did, that'd be kind of smart idea, you know, use it when you're, getting cuffed up, but no one's getting cut. Man, this music's really exhilarating. Ooh. 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 That crispy, crispy trip mine. Ooh, shit. I'm leaving!
Your opponents are persistent. Keep an eye on them.
Your opponents are persistent. Using all their supers at the very end, it makes you think as if they're almost team. Yes, please jump. Gives you more time to shoot at you. Ooh. I thought I was gonna die there. I was pretty sure I was supposed to die there.
Undeniable.
Ooh! Ooh! Oh, with that screen coming on, we're gonna be switching over to mouse and keyboard.
You're as wily as Cade 6. I've got my eye on you.
Ooh, 21 kills? That was Tom's lead war. Probably said that freaking Mida Multitool. Ooh. Less perdition. Less perdition. Ooh. So with us switching into mouse and keyboard, you know, we're waiting for the next 8. I'm pretty sure this will be the last, you know, little recording of the night. I'll be testing out if they're even recorded, and if it didn't, I'm probably going to commit suicide. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Going up 3. Little more. Be a little faster. Man, 8 out of 8. I can't wait till I'm on the same, or on the opposite team of T-Rex again, you know. Get to challenge him once more. And I just use more like multi-tool because, you know, I'm disgusting like that. You know, I'm not actually being disgusting, but you get my point. By the way, how's my new mic sound? I've been, you know, using it, and it's, you know, it's very different feeling. The whole headset thing, it's a little bit rougher on my ears. But I don't know how I sound, so I still haven't gotten like a conventional mic, you know, the little thing where I talk into like podcast mic. I'm just using a headset mic. I'd love to get like a new mic, but I want to get more PC parts. I'm working really hard on my job so that my PC, you know, can be a little bit more girthy. Love her anyways. And with that little sentence, we'll be landing in the distant shores on the Nessus. I think this game had a lot more potential that was given into. And I'm not going to blame anyone or point at figures. Activision! But I think there's a lot more. Definitely not a team of T-Rex. And that was unnecessarily disgusting. That wasn't even just taking candy from a baby, that was taking candy from a blind, deaf, ugly baby.
Lost.
Ah, shit. That was karma for that joke. Into the milk.
Opponents have advantage.
No! No fun!
Zone B lost. Your opponent has a power play.
I think my favorite thing is when I just see someone staring at me and I just choose not to shoot. I just want to immediately press a button, you know, start dancing or something. Hi, whole enemy team. Hi, whole enemy team. Hi, whole enemy team.
Zone A captured. Zone advantage is yours. Zone A lost.
It makes a little noise when you zoom in. Sounds like I have an LMG. Oh wait, LMGs are in Destiny 2. Why? I don't know. Let's get rid of, you know, some good guns. You know, and trade out for, you know, SMGs. Oh, thank God. Just what we needed, SMGs. For our machine guns, because now we can't double up on DPS.
Zone A captured. Zone advantage is yours.
Come on, dude. Don't run away. Ow. Ooh, it's Skaithlock. Yeah, that's a pretty hard fight. Skaithlocks are pretty crispy. With a K. I think crispy
5
actually is
minutes
spelled with a K.
remain.
I feel dumb. Oh, hi. I bet you he was just looking at his, whatchamacallit, was just like, wait a second. Yep, I'm just gonna stare at you and then shoot you till you're dead. Oh, with this gun I run so much faster, I jump over. Usually it takes like at least a hop, but I said no.
You captured Zone C. Power play. All zones held.
I mean, not for
Zone
a bit.
A lost.
You power played for about 4 seconds. Delicious. Delicious chocolate. Oh god. Oh god.
Zone
Yeah,
C
cheapers.
lost.
Yeah, jeepers creepers. Well, that's it. Well, that's it, laddie. I'm pulling out. Oh, I'm pulling out the motherfucking keeper. And I missed every shot. How did I do it? I don't know. You tell me.
3 minutes left. Zone B lost. Your opponent has a power play. I believe in you, Guardian. Take this fight to them. Zone A captured.
Ah. Going into mouse and keyboard mode, though, I have to sit up a little bit closer, you know. I don't get to lean back. So I'm more focused in like one area and not just, you know.
Zone A lost. Opponent made a power play. Zone
He's
A
a part of the
captured.
Darkblade army. They're edgy.
Your opponents have nearly won. Show them you won't go
Oh
quietly.
shit. We're behind by a lot. I was just, you know, making shits and giggles. Well, there's like, you know.
Zone A lost. Your opponent has a power play.
Wow. Miss, 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 miss. Oh, that's a hammer. That's a hammer. That's a hammer.
Captured Zone B.
I'm not trusting anything that's red. That's hearing.
You will endure.
Wow. with the end of that and getting teabagged was this Halo 1. I'm going to say thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe. If you didn't like the video, leave some constructive criticism in the bottom, you know? I am new at this. I haven't been doing this for years like some people have, at Mr. Fruit. And with that, I say goodbye.